In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock an address on Yahoo Mail, and we'll do it in just about 5 minutes. Let's get started by diving into this straightforward process, ensuring you can manage your contacts efficiently. First, you'll need to access your Yahoo Mail account. Head over to the Yahoo login page, where you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Here, it's important to type in the full email address you use to access Yahoo, as any mistakes could prevent you from logging in successfully. Once you've done this, simply click on the Next button. Now at this stage, you'll need to enter your account password. Remember the importance of keeping your password secure and never sharing it with others. Enter your password carefully to avoid any login issues. Once you have completed this step, go ahead and click Next to continue. Once you're logged into your Yahoo Mail, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the Settings gear icon. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu. From here you want to select More Settings. This will take you to a deeper settings menu where you can manage various aspects of your email account. Within the More Settings area, look for the section labeled Security and Privacy. This is your destination for managing blocked addresses and ensuring you have control over who can email you. Now you will see a list of addresses that have been blocked. If you are looking to unblock a specific address, simply navigate through the list. When you find the address you're looking to unblock, hover over it with your mouse. Doing so will reveal a trash can icon next to the address. This icon is your key to unblocking. Go ahead and click on the trash icon, which will remove that particular address from your blocked list, allowing emails from that sender to arrive in your inbox. And there you have it, you've just successfully unblocked an address on Yahoo Mail. It's as simple as that. By following these steps, you ensure all those essential emails reach you without any hiccups. Remember, maintaining your email security and privacy is crucial, so be mindful about who you block or unblock. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.